So I've got some marks and grooves I've cut into this piece because it has a nice little pattern, which I can probably show off later. Some old, I think they come from like the 80s, Damascus separating discs. These are actually cutting really, really well. I was using some other separating discs the other day, and they weren't cutting. The process was taking so much longer, so I'm really happy with what's going on. And generally, I just try to keep the stone under the water because the lapis dust is not very good. It's toxic. It's terrible to breathe in, and so I wear my N95 respirator. These things are like more valuable than gold right now.